Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm ShatoyaLynn, and today guys we are going to be making a quick fast French toast, and I'm going to be trying out this Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust seasoning blend. So that's what we have here. I have some vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, some eggs we're going to be putting in this bowl, and I have some milk and some bread, and that's kind of all you need. I'm not sure if it's really sweet. I did taste it. It doesn't taste that sweet, so I guess that's okay because you're going to use syrup anyways. So I have Junior here. He's going to be my helper. So we're just going to make some quick French toast and try it out. Alright guys, before we get started, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. What would you like to see from me in the next video? Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so we are going to go ahead and just crack the eggs and I'm just going to start with 4 eggs. I think that should be enough. 4 eggs. I have my little helper here. This is actually fun to do with the kids if they like to be in the kitchen like mine do. He's my little helper. Go ahead, baby, you can mix it up.
You crack another one.
No, well, maybe. That should be. Let's go with that. That should be enough.
Let's go continue.
That should be enough. And then
we're gonna go back continue.
We're gonna go ahead and pour some milk. Go ahead, yeah. Stir. Keep stirring.
I like made of honey buns.
Yeah.
Don't have honey buns?
No.
They don't have honey.
They didn't have any honey buns.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in the vanilla extract. Mix, mix, mix.
That's gonna be really good.
And then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle the Cinnamon Toast Cinnadust.
Put a lot.
Okay, mix it up.
Is it gonna be like chocolate milk? Keep mixing it.
Yep, keep mixing.
I'm trying.
You got it. Good job. You're doing a very good job.
Making squares?
Yep, we're gonna make some cinnamon.
With our cooking stove.
The cooking stove.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're gonna make the add video. It's gonna be done. And we're gonna go back and continue.
That's right. Alright guys, so I'll be back when I get the bread. We'll be back when we get the bread out. Alright, so this is the consistency with the Cinnadust, the vanilla extract, and the eggs and the milk. So now here are my slices of bread. I am using this butter here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just dump it on my grill, little grilly here.
The cheese is still not under the thing.
And then we're just gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna actually get my tongue, but I want to be gentle with it. So.
Oh!
And you just.
Oh!
And you see that?
Oh!
And then you just go ahead, put that on low.
Oh!
Don't want it to burn.
For me?
No, not you, baby.
I like the brown stuff. Oh. What are you done? What are you doing? Done on those for the surface. What do you do? And now you do it another way again. Stop doing the metal thread. Stop it! You messed it up in the red.
And we're just gonna let that cook.
And we gotta go back to continue.
Go back and continue?
Yeah, again. And we gotta go back and continue again. Ooh.
Not yet.
Uh,
So, it's just cooking. I turned it down a little bit, so on low.
I really made it a little
These
bit cook.
two might be.
A little bit. It's hot. It's gonna melt that. It's gonna melt that thing. It's still gonna melt it. When we gotta do the taste challenge. Oh!
That one it's not quite ready yet, so.
And we're gonna cut them like the squares last time.
Yeah.
Like the Cheerios. Like the cereal one. Like this. The number 4 bread. Number 5 bread is.
Alright, here's the next batch. They're cooking. And what you want to do is you want to, even though you put the Cinnadust inside of the egg mix, you want to also sprinkle the Cinnadust seasoning on the French toast while it is cooking. So that's what I did here, and these are done here. So far these look really delicious. Buttery French toast. So these are cooking and I'm gonna have the kids taste it.
Alright guys, check this out. It looks delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching so much. We are towards the end. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.